Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra. If you're new here, in today's video I'm going to do this Valentine's Day makeup look. I hope you guys will love this look and follow along. It is not just for Valentine's Day, it is just a cute look for any occasion. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And enough talking, and let's get started. But before we get started, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel please down below, and ring that notifications bell. And now we can get started. Mwah! It is so windy outside. I'm really scared to film because I think it's gonna hear it in the video, but I'm gonna try. Well, there's nothing I can do actually, but yeah, I'm gonna film it anyway. So Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and I always do a Valentine's Day look every year. It literally feels like the building is gonna like fly away. It is crazy windy outside. Anyway, Christmas is over, New Year's is over. I'm super sad about that because Christmas is my favorite year. Christmas is my favorite year. Oh my god, Christmas is my favorite holiday. But Valentine's Day is right around the corner and it is time to move on and do a V-Day look. So I'm obviously going to start with my glowish primer from Huda Beauty. This primer has been a lifesaver because I had like a really weird skin reaction. I think it was from something I ate. Because usually I don't really have any skin problems. So I had like really weird bumps like all over my face, like especially around this area. And I've been using this to cover them basically. And like it worked wonders for my skin. And I feel like it helped with the skin issue. Like the bumps went away once I started using this, which is super strange because I have a pretty amazing skincare routine anyway. But I don't know if it was maybe it was this primer or what it was, but it helped a lot. This primer supposedly has like good ingredients for your skin, so you guys really need to try it. It doesn't have a weird scent, it doesn't irritate my skin. It's really amazing, and I feel like not many people use it. It's a little bit underrated, and yeah, it's really good for the skin. I've been loving it, and I'm not really a huge primer lover. Usually I forget about it, but for some reason with this primer I just couldn't wait to apply it, and it did wonders for my skin. I'm still using this Milk Under Eye Primer because I feel like I used it for a hot minute, then I stopped using it, and I just don't know if it's doing something or not. So I really want to keep on using this Milk Under Eye Primer. It feels a little bit oily. It feels really nice under your eyes. It's not too oily, but yeah, I just don't know if it actually does anything. So I'll keep you guys posted. Oh, by the way, these are my new winter nails. I am obsessed. I really love them. If you guys want some inspiration, I also link them on my Instagram account. So if you want to check out my Instagram, I'm gonna link it down here for you guys. But let's continue with, oh my god, it is so windy. Whew. Let's continue with this look. Okay, so it is like 3 hours later because it was really windy, so I decided to stop filming and try again later. And it's still super windy outside. So if you can hear the wind howling, I'm really sorry. There's nothing I can do, but I really have to film today. It's really bad. So I'm probably gonna do voice off and continue like that because this is really annoying. So now that you're closer, I'm gonna prime with P. Louise base as always. This is shade 0.5. I'm just gonna put my headband because it's a lot more comfy. That's how this video will work. Yeah. Do you guys have any V-Day plans? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know, are you a fan of Valentine's Day or not? Do you hate Valentine's Day? Do you like it? I know a lot of people don't like Valentine's Day. To be honest, for me, it's like really not a big thing. But Alex and I do like to go out sometimes, just have like a chill, nice dinner on Valentine's Day, but it's not like a huge thing that we celebrate. We like celebrating more like our anniversary and yeah, things like that. Am I recording? Yeah. Okay, I think the wind went down Oh, went down a little bit. Hopefully it will get better. But we're expecting like a big storm. So yeah, that's that. Always, like when I film something has to happen, you know? There's either like a neighbor making noise or the wind howling or whatever. But anyway, life goes on. Okay, so I'm probably gonna go in with the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm gonna use some of these shades and then mix it up with another palette, and we will see. So I'm just gonna put like some music and do this part without like talking because there's like way too much noise going on. So I'm just gonna like show you the shades and then apply them. And also don't judge my brushes, they're all dirty, so YOLO. Okay, here we go. Music on. Stop the music. Okay, can we just appreciate this shade? It is so gorgeous. I haven't used this palette. This is the Candy Skies Laura with Erin Weaver palette. I haven't used this palette in a hot minute, and it is such a gorgeous and beautiful palette. The shades blend out so nice, and I feel like I've really missed this palette because I feel like this is more of a summery palette, but in reality not. You can use it like for so many looks. And yeah, now we can continue with the music, but oh, such a gorgeous shade. You really, I don't know if you can still purchase this, but I really hope you can still get it. Continue. Okay, so this look is almost done. I'm really liking the way it is turning out. It looks very beautiful, very pretty. I don't know if I should add something more, but I think for now it's fine. Okay, now it is time for some foundation. I'm gonna use the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation, and we're gonna continue with the music because you can hear the wind still. Let's go ahead. now that we have the face set, and I'm gonna continue my under eyes, and I'm gonna do the same, and I'm gonna use the same colors that I used for my top lid. Now I'm gonna do it. Now I'm gonna use them on the bottom. So I'm gonna start with shade Amber and add it to the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna add the purple one and the brown shade. Of course, if the wind lets me talk, that would be great. It's like going on and off, you know? But it is crazy. Okay, something like this. This is already starting to look super gorgeous and glam. Loving it. I think I'm not gonna add the dark brown. I think, or maybe I will, I don't know. I'm gonna smoke it out a little bit more. Okay, something like this. And I will add the dark brown right here, just a touch. Not too much. Okay, gorgeous. Now, wow, I think I went a little overboard with the brown shade, but it's fine. Yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna add my mascara. Time for mascara. And we're gonna continue with the music. The wind went down for like 1 second, so I'm gonna talk. I applied my bronzer, and now I'm gonna add some of my NARS blush in shade Orgasm. This is a very beautiful blush. I love adding this on top of the bronzer, not on my cheeks, but like right here. I feel like it gives a beautiful pinky glow. And since this is a special occasion, I'm gonna add loads of it because it's so pretty. I even add sometimes a bit on my forehead because you know what. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use my highlighter from Huda Beauty. This is the highlighter quad in shade medium. This is the Glow Obsessions palette, and I can't stop using it. I just like to mix these two shades together at the bottom, and then I highlight basically to the gods and back because I cannot live without highlighter. If you can hear the wind, you know it's not my makeup day. Okay, perfect. Now, gonna add a bit to my inner corner. So I'm gonna add a bit to my inner corner, same two shades, and make that eye look pop even more. I'm actually gonna take some of the pink one right here and add it to my inner part of my lower lash line. because I feel like it is really pretty and it will make this eye look complete. Look at that, so gorgeous. Okay, oh my god, I cannot believe I'm almost done. So I'm gonna add lipstick and we're done. Ooh, so excited. Okay, so for lipstick, I'm gonna go with something a little bit more neutral and nude. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Super Ink Stay Liquid Lipstick in shade Chai Genius, and I'm gonna mix it up with the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in shade Mannequin. So I'm gonna apply these two together. I'm gonna apply this one first. Okay, I feel like I need a little something extra. So I'm gonna take I'm Nude, also from Jeffree Star. This is the most amazing nude liquid lip. And I'm gonna add it to the center because I need like a little oomph. And then tap. You guys, I cannot believe I managed to film this video with the crazy ass wind outside. And yeah, we're actually done. Okay, I like this look. It was really hard to film this video. It was very stressful. I was like turning on and off the camera the entire time, playing music. You can definitely hear the damn wind, but it's fine. Anyway, I hope you guys like this look. I hope it will help you get some inspiration, even if it's not for Valentine's Day, just for fun in general. Yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing week. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what other videos you want me to do. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Ring notifications bell, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video as always. Toodles!